Take a deep breath. Listen to that. It's not the sound of traffic or notifications. It's the wind. At 16,000 feet, we often feel overwhelmed because we carry so much that ISN tours up here. Nothing matters except the breath you just took. Look how simple happiness can be. A hot cup of tea, a few pages of an ancient book, and the first light of the sun. We spend our lives chasing what we lack, forgetting to feel what we already have. Sometimes, slowing down is the fastest way to get where you need to go. People ask me, why do these statues look so fierce? They aren't trying to scare you. They are reminding you that storms and fears are part of life. And that's okay. When you stop running from your own shadows, you finally become free. The children here have stars in their eyes. They daren't worry about tomorrow. They just exist in the now. Try to look at your life like an eagle from above. You realize that the things keeping you up at night are very small compared to the vastness of the mountains. Does this look like an argument? It's not. Think of it as a gym for the brain. This is how they stay sharp. Life will always throw problems at you. If you learn how to think clearly instead of just reacting with anxiety, you've already won. Soon you'll go back to your busy world, but remember, the stillness of this monastery has been inside you all along. You, Dan T, need to run to the mountains. You just need to close your eyes. Stay in your own frequency. Tashi Delek.